Hi guys, welcome back or to the channel. Yes, I'm in the dark. I need to be in the dark. Why am I in the dark? It's decal time. We are making that decal for the front. So we gotta go someplace dark. Okay guys, we're here. We're here in the shop, in the dark. This is how we're making that decal, guys. In the dark. This is all about doing it on a budget. Doing it at home, keeping it cheap. This is gonna be fun. So you're probably wondering why I want to be in the dark. If you watched our last couple of videos, you would have seen on our camper that we built, we put vinyl decals on there. We did them ourselves. They're about this big. Managed to print them off and cut them out. Marcy was out shopping today. Came home with some more vinyl. Oh, I gotta love the vinyl. Just plain rolled vinyl. How are we gonna get a big decal out of that? How are we gonna get this 5 feet wide? Onto here. We don't have a vinyl cutter. That's why we're in the dark. That's gonna help us. So we came up with the idea of how we were gonna get it this big off that sheet of paper that you saw. So what we did is we kept it back to Marcy's awesome idea on the mountains and the trees that we put on the back door of the camper. This is what we're gonna lay on the projector to make it 5 feet wide, guys. So it's gonna hang out right there.
By the way, please ignore the garage. Obviously this is construction zone, and since we're both working and still a little bit on the camper, just an excuse really, we gotta clean it this weekend. Anywho,
Can you guys see me?
Here we are.
I'm under the light. I always wanted to be in the spotlight. So right now this is actually just a piece of our insulating foam that we use in the camper. It's a piece that's left over. It happens to
put
be
the white
5
sheet up. Put the white sheet up.
Happens to be 5 feet wide.
Let's get the show on the road, man.
So now it's time to put this up.
Yay. Now that this is cut out, we gotta take this in the house, cut it out, and get it put on the camper. I'm so stoked. Let's do this.
This is gonna be a chore, guys, for sure.
You're totally cutting it. I'm out.
She's out.
Well, cause.
Let's go in the house, guys.
Coolness.
So now
That's gonna look so killer on the front of the camper.
So now what I have to do is I have to put masking tape over the front side of all this.
Yeah. So this is how you put it on.
This is how we
So
put
this
it
is
on.
not the sticky part. You're gonna masking tape the non-sticky part, and then that's the part you peel off to stick on.
Correct.
Gotcha. And now the thing that Corey cut out, he has now peeled the sticker off the back. So he kind of measured it up there, and then he peeled the sticker off the back, and now he's done one half, taped up half, now he's gonna do the other. This, according to Corey, this sucks. However,
This sucks.
he's still peeling it off. You can see a little bit of it. I'll give you a good view just a few minutes. Well, maybe more than a few minutes, but in a little bit. Don't look so happy. It looks killer.
Hey guys, it's done. We got it on here.
Okay,
I
move
hope
your
you can
head.
hear me.
There you go.
My neighbor's making fun of me. It is done. Hey guys, if you want to see how we did this on a smaller scale, you can click this box right here. This box will take you to where we painted the outside, and you can see how we made the small one for back door and stuff like that. I think it's this box. But you know what? If you want to see something really funny, you want to know how to put an awesome breakfast by putting eggs in a Ziploc bag to cook for an awesome camping breakfast. Oh, it's so good. Click this box, this box right here.
Take two.
If you guys want to change from something other than building this camper, you know what? You want an awesome breakfast, eggs in a Ziploc bag. There's a change for you, something totally different for you to watch.
And it tastes great, by the way.
Click this box, this one, the one that my neighbor can't see right now, but you'll see in the video. You know what, guys? Thanks so much for watching. Marcy and I greatly appreciate it. If you like videos like this, please smash that thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe.
As Marcy said, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and so you'll be notified of the next video we put out. Until next time, guys, I can't do it. Doodles.
High five.